Imagine you want to transform pure noise into an image. That is the core problem of modern generative models. We start from a simple distribution, usually Gaussian noise, and gradually move it toward real data. Diffusion models do this really well. But they have one big drawback. They are slow. Generating a single image may require tens or even hundreds of steps because the model follows a complicated curved trajectory through the probability space, and it is following that trajectory step by step. Now here comes the key idea of rectified flow. Instead of learning complicated noisy paths, what if we simply learn straight paths between distributions? So suppose we have samples from distribution phi naught, usually Gaussian noise, and samples from distribution phi 1, usually real images. The goal is to learn a transformation that moves points from one distribution to the other, and usually traditional methods like GANs learn a direct mapping but can be really unstable. Diffusion models learn stochastic dynamics but are computationally really expensive. Rectified flow proposes a simpler viewpoint. Learn an ordinary differential equation or ODE that moves samples along straight lines as much as possible. According to the paper, the model learns a velocity field. That means how points move in this field. And so suppose we connect 2 points using linear interpolation, and we start from the point x0 and we finish at x1. So this gives perfect straight trajectories. But there is a problem. In order to calculate this, you need to know both the points. And as a result, they require knowing the final destination in advance. So you must be able to predict the future, and as a result, the paths are non-causal. Rectified flow fixes this by learning a velocity function as a differential equation. The neural network predicts where to move using only the current position and time. So we keep the straight geometry but make it physically realizable. So why are we using straight lines? Straight paths are special. They are the shortest transportation routes, and they are easier to simulate and moreover dramatically faster at inference. The paper shows that straighter routes reduce transportation cost and can even generate high quality images with very few simulation steps. In the ideal case, generation becomes almost a one-step process. So here's the clever trick. After training one flow, we generate new pairs using that flow and train again. This process, called reflow, progressively straightens trajectories. Each iteration removes curvature. Eventually, the dynamics become nearly linear, meaning fewer solver steps, faster generation, and simpler inference. Rectified flow bridges two worlds: one-step models like GANs and multi-step models like diffusion. It keeps diffusion's stability but approaches GAN level speed. Conceptually, it tells you something deeper. Generative modeling can be viewed as learning efficient transport between distributions, and this idea can be applied to move from one distribution to the other. No need to create intermediate Gaussian noise distributions.